Hello guys, I'm Chloe and Araman, a student from grade 8 Ipil. Today, we're going to do an experiment about temperature. What you guys need for these experiments are the following.
3 containers. One container contains cold water, the other container contains warm water, while the other container contains tap water. The first step we're going to do is to put both of your hands on the 2 containers that contains hot water and cold water for 1 minute. While we're waiting, here are some fun facts about our hands. Our hands, especially our fingertips, are well equipped to collect sensory information from the environment surrounding them. They contain an immense number of sensory receptors. External circumstances, such as temperature, texture, and touch prompt these receptors to produce electrical signals. The signals travel via a sensory nerve along the arm to the brain where they are processed, compared to the past experience, and finally labeled. Each receptor is triggered by a specific stimulus. Thermoreceptors detect temperature changes. We are equipped with some thermoreceptors that are activated by cold conditions and others that are activated by heat. Warm receptors will turn up their signal rate when they feel warmth or heat transfer into the body. Cooling or heat transfer out of the body results in a decreased signal rate.
Here are some guide questions for our experiment about temperature. First question. Describe what you feel when you put both of your hands in the 2 containers. Well, when I put one of my hand into the cold water, my hands felt cold. When I also put one of my hands into the hot water, my hands felt hot. But the longer my hands are in the container, I didn't felt any sensation, as much sensation that I felt when I put both of my hands onto the container at the first time. Second question. Do your hands feel the same in the container filled with tap water? Well, my hands didn't feel the same when I put them into the container. Maybe because light containers are used so that the thermal capacity of the container itself can be ignored. Therefore, energy stored thermally in the warm water is transferred to the cold water until they arrive at a common temperature. And that's it. I hope you learned something from this video. Bye!